Take a look real close. Follow my finger. That's a crepe myrtle. I planted that about 8 days ago. This came up out of nowhere. I have my pot here, and it was lemongrass. Really didn't do too good. The other ones I have, I got lemongrass going in the distance. But this surprised me, finding a seed, and just happened to be a couple in there. It's supposed to be one of the hardest plants to grow. And I couldn't do a cherry, but here I am with the crepe myrtles. There could be a couple more in there. So check on it, see how it progresses.